This chili recipe serves 4 to 6 and is really impressive if you're having people over. Crumble a pound of ground beef or turkey in a 2-quart glass casserole. Stir in 1 chopped onion and half a cup of chopped green or red pepper. Cover and microwave for 5 minutes on high. Once the meat is thoroughly browned, drain your mixture. Next, stir in 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 16-ounce can of kidney or pinto beans, a 16-ounce can of whole tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Cover and microwave for 14 to 16 minutes on roast setting or until hot. You may have to add some extra water as you go. Just keep checking the mixture to make sure it doesn't get too dry. Once the chili is done, let it stand for about 5 minutes before serving. This chili is great with almond cornbread or just plain. Enjoy!